Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be testing and reviewing the BlendSmart Rotating Makeup Applicator. This starter kit. Does it work? Does it not? Let's find out together. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and like I said, today I'm going to be testing and reviewing the BlendSmart Rotating Makeup Applicator, the starter kit. So you can see I already opened the package, so let's just continue opening it. And you can see in the inside we have the actual product. All right, so this is what the actual product looks like. It has this, like I said, this is the BlendSmart Rotating Makeup Applicator, and right off the bat, for some reason the package feels very light, so I wonder if that's a good thing or a bad thing. All right, let's just see what it comes with. So first time opening this. Okay, so it does come with a little template, gives you like reviews and things like that, and right off the bat it also shows all the other type of brushes that they have available, which we'll be go over that soon. And this is the actual product. All right, so it comes here with the battery, the handle, and the actual brush. This one retails for $66. Like I said before, this is the started kit, and this is the foundation brush. So this is, I think this is the most affordable set that you can get on this site. And like I said, if you guys are interested in this product or Sarah, you guys can learn more about it yourselves at blendsmart.com. But will they actually work? So let's see how. I don't even know what to start. Like, I'm actually really excited about this. And also I want to point out that a lot of products don't usually come with batteries. This one, it does come with battery, but let me just take it out. I would have to say that I had never seen this such a small little battery, so I'm not sure this is something you can go to the store and buy, or if it's only specifically for this company. So if you run out of battery, if you had to actually order it, I don't know how much that is, but I'm not sure how I feel about this. I think it would be much better if it was chargeable. All right, so now for the handle. Wow, this is actually quite heavy. For some reason, when it was inside the package, it didn't feel as heavy, but now feeling it by itself, it has a really nice kind of weight to it. And of course, we have the famous brush. All right, I want to feel the brush. Okay, I will have to say that this brush doesn't feel as dense as other brushes. This is my regular brush that I normally use. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills 830, and this one you can tell right off the bat of how dense this one is compared to the actual Smart Blend. This one feels very soft, and this one, of course, it has a little more of a dense to it. So I really want to know how this is going to apply, because I do enjoy applying my makeup with this one, but I'm intrigued to see how this one's going to work. And like I said before, it came with a template. It does come with other head brushes. So it does have, this one is the foundation head brush. We also have the definer, full coverage, kabuki brush, blush brush, powder brush, and a skincare brush. And they all sell separately. All right, so I guess now the only thing we have left to do is to test out this brush. So let me just get my hair out of the way. And I really want to know how this is going to work out, because I am a little skeptical about this brush. All right, let's assemble it together. So of course, the first thing we're going to do is the battery. Okay. And this. Okay, that was actually pretty easy. Now let's turn it on. Okay. Oh. Okay. Hold up. Oh. That's very fascinating, actually. For some reason, when the brush is off, it does feel very soft, as you can see. But when you turn it on, that tends to feel more dense. So right now it does feels more like a regular foundation brush. And you can see I'm barely doing any touch or anything. And it does still rotates. I was skeptical about that too, because sometimes when rotating products, what happens is that when you pull a little, you pressure a little too much, or Sarah, the rotation starts working, and I hate that. And I feel like this one, you don't really have to do, it doesn't do that. Like you can see I'm actually pushing and the rotation is still happening. But of course, we're not actually going to be doing that, but I just wanted to test that out. Now, to test the actual product, I'm going to be using the Nude Drop Tinted Serum Foundation by Catrice. Okay, we need to check it very well. All right. So I'm not sure if I should just put it directly on my skin, or you know what? I'm just gonna put it in the back of my hand. I'm just gonna start with 1, 2. Let's just do 4 drops. Okay, there we go. So we have 4 drops of foundation. Let's just all right, I just put it on the brush. Let me get my mirror. All right, let's turn it on and see what happens. Wow, right off the bat, you guys can see this blend in beautiful. Look at that application. I am actually quite surprised. I'm actually really in love with this right now. Look at this application. Like, wow. All right, let me just put in more. Wow. Look at this. I just did just only the half of my face, and also, as you can see, it did a pretty good job and also covering some dark spots in Sarah. But look at this. It looks like half my face has been airbrushed, and then the other side haven't done anything to it. But wow, I am honestly, it looks beautiful. I feel like I don't have nothing on. And also that happened so quickly. Like, usually, I am a sucker for blending. I always, I'm like a brush holder. I literally just, I make sure I blend everything nicely, Sarah, usually on my regular brush. But this one went in so nicely. Like, I am quite in love. All right, let me do the other side and I'll be right back. All right, so I just finished applying the rest of the foundation, and I don't even need to say anything. I mean, just look at it. This is beautiful. And I love the fact that it actually feels like it's airbrush. This is beautiful. And mind you, I haven't even put any concealer or anything like that. And I still have some foundation left. So I didn't really have to use that much, which is amazing. I only basically tapped the first time I put 4 drops, and then I did maybe like another 5, and then I just tap it, and look at all the foundation I have left. So purely I use maybe a little too much, but look at this. This is beautiful. I am in love with the way this is blended. I don't even want to do any more because that was so fast. Like, I was really fast. And the fact that I feel like I don't even need concealer or anything right now, I am very, very freaking impressed right now. Like I don't even know what else to do. Like, I think I can just go out like this now. All right, but let's not actually going to do that. All right, so now let's just put in some powder and let me finish up the rest of my makeup, and then let's see how that actually plays out. Right, so I just finished setting up the face, and I wanted to come up here and let you guys know that the airbrush effect is still on. And also, I don't think this setting powder has got on my skin this nicely. I put on very softly, very nice and floaty all over. I didn't have to go too hard with the powder, and you know, I tried to avoid that cakiness. But I don't think for this one you really don't need that much powder. It was set really quickly, and I don't think I've seen that with like my regular routine. In mind you, I use these products pretty often, so to see, you know, to see these products elevate my experience with makeup, I'm really, really thankful, and I'm really, really happy with this product. Okay, so I just finished getting ready, and you can see this is beautiful. Like, the only thing I use, basically my ready to go routine, I just put a little bit of foundation. I use, I set it up a little bit, and then I use a little bit of blush, and then basically I did a little more of my eyebrows and my beard, and that is all I did. And look, this is the beautiful look that I got. I just love the fact that it feels airbrush. Like, I don't think I have used this small amount of makeup in a long time, especially to achieve this look. I usually had to underpaint with concealer or things like that, but this is beautiful. I mean, I haven't stopped looking at the manner. Like, I just look so good. I'm actually really, really happy with this brush. And I love the fact also, of course, well, I have to clean it because of the powder, but I love the fact, I do think this is a great for someone, of course, if he has some type of sensibility in the arms or things like that. But honestly, for an everyday makeup, I think this is really, really convenient. I really do enjoy the application process. I will definitely be using this brush again. And not only that, I do feel it is very convenient for traveling. I mean, the only thing you have to do is to just take the brush out, and the handle is still there. So basically, if you get all the other brushes, I'm pretty sure all of them will be able to fit in a very small, ready-to-go bag, and so you don't really have to carry 1,000 brushes like a lot of people normally do. So if you are looking for something and upscale your makeup experience, I definitely do suggest this brush. I'm actually quite surprised. I'm quite happy with it, and I do highly suggest it. And also, I don't think the price is too bad either. Like I said, it retails for $66, and I know brushes can go for like $100 sometimes. So for this one being for $66, it rotates. It gives you a really nice airbrush application without having to actually have an airbrush machine or things like that, because I know those can be very expensive and also kind of difficulty to use, can get on your clothes or things like that. That's another thing that I want to point out. I was a little skeptical and scared about like the foundation or the actual product maybe like spilling on my clothes or things like that, because it does rotate. But actually, once I applied the product, it stayed there. It didn't go anywhere. I mean, I have no makeup on my clothes or anything right now, so I think it did a pretty good job. I just love the way it looks. It seriously looks airbrush. I am actually really, really satisfied with this product, and I think that's it. Before you go, please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and of course, if you guys want to follow me on social media, you can find me at Javier Ortiz NY. Like this video. If you, of course, once again, if you guys want to check out this brush, you guys can go to BlendSmart.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.